Over 1 billion people worldwide have high blood pressure right now. Most of them don't feel it. No symptoms, no warning signs. Just silent damage building up inside their arteries, raising their risk of heart attack and stroke with every passing year. What if the most powerful tool available to you was already sitting in your kitchen? Hey, welcome back. I'm Ray, and today we're going through 10 specific foods, all backed by published clinical research that have been proven to lower blood pressure naturally. This is not general advice. These are specific compounds, specific mechanisms, and specific serving sizes that make a measurable difference. Let's start with leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with dietary nitrates that your body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens your blood vessels, directly reducing the pressure inside them. 1 cup of cooked Swiss chard delivers 961 milligrams of potassium and 150 milligrams of magnesium, both critical minerals for blood pressure regulation. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Epidemiology found that just 1 cup of leafy greens daily was associated with a significant reduction in blood pressure and lower cardiovascular risk. 1 cup daily. That's an achievable target. Berries are next. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries contain powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep color. These increase nitric oxide levels in the blood and reduce the molecules that restrict blood flow. A 2020 review in Food and Function found that regular berry consumption reduced systolic blood pressure by over 3 millimeters of mercury. Fresh or frozen both deliver the same benefit. Bananas and potassium-rich fruits work by directly counteracting sodium. Potassium helps your kidneys excrete excess salt and relieves tension in your blood vessel walls. A 2022 study in the European Journal found that every additional gram of daily potassium was linked to a 2.4 millimeter drop in systolic blood pressure in people with high sodium intake. 1 medium banana delivers 422 milligrams. Avocados, oranges, and kiwi fruit are equally effective sources. Beets deserve their own mention because the research is particularly strong. Beets are exceptionally rich in dietary nitrates that convert to nitric oxide, dilating blood vessels and improving blood flow. A 2022 systematic review in Frontiers in Nutrition found that beetroot juice significantly lowers systolic blood pressure in people with arterial hypertension. A small glass of beetroot juice before exercise amplifies the effect further. Oats are the unsung hero of blood pressure management. The soluble fiber in oats, called beta-glucan, forms a gel in your digestive tract that reduces cholesterol absorption and has a documented blood pressure lowering effect. Studies consistently show that daily oat consumption reduces both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with hypertension. Half a cup of rolled oats each morning is a practical, sustainable starting point. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout deliver omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in your arteries and improve the flexibility of your blood vessel walls. The American Heart Association recommends 2 servings of fatty fish weekly, specifically for cardiovascular protection. Multiple clinical trials confirm that regular omega-3 consumption produces measurable reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure over 8 to 12 weeks. Garlic contains a compound called allicin that has documented vasodilating effects. It relaxes the smooth muscle in your artery walls, widening the vessels and reducing resistance. Meta-analyses published in multiple cardiology journals confirm that garlic supplementation reduces systolic blood pressure by an average of 8 millimeters of mercury in people with hypertension. Fresh garlic, garlic powder, and aged garlic extract all deliver measurable benefit. Dark chocolate, specifically 70% cacao or higher, contains flavonoids that stimulate nitric oxide production. Studies show that consuming around 30 grams of dark chocolate daily reduces both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This is not a license to eat unlimited chocolate, but a small square of high-quality dark chocolate daily has real documented cardiovascular benefit. The full article has all 10 foods with their research citations, practical serving size recommendations, and Mediterranean recipes that combine multiple blood pressure foods into single delicious meals. The link is directly below, and there are recipes in there worth bookmarking tonight. Share this with someone managing their blood pressure. This research could genuinely change what they eat tomorrow morning. Subscribe for weekly evidence-based content. Get well and stay well.